Assalamu alaikum, lovely people. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. You may be seeing missing videos from Kuwait and Ghana. Maybe you will be thinking too why am I seeing Kuwait and Ghana videos? So I was in Kuwait, but currently I am back to Africa. I'm in Ghana right now. So welcome to Ofenso Abofo. So those of you in Ghana here, you know Abofo. So yeah, this part 2 is new side. So this is the new side too. So enjoy the view together. We were going to check some plot of land here for someone, and I was like, why not? Let me take you guys on a road trip. Abofo here, guys, it is very busy town. When we say business, this is the town, or this town, they do big business here. So if you are here and you are hard working person, in fact, you are going to make a lot of money, seriously. When I came at the market day, I was like, wow. So yeah, see the sunset. It was around 5:20 p.m. but see how it is looking. So yeah, let us explore the place together. You see, people are building here, and I really love the land. The land is very rich, beautiful. Yeah, some place is not that hard, some soft. So all this place is people's plot too. Yeah. So we were still going. We did not reach where we were going yet, so we were on motorbike. Yeah, me, my mom, and the motor rider. So it was the person who was taking us to check the place. So join us, let all go. Enjoy watching, guys. Yeah, you see, guys, that is sand, that is people's own, that is people's own. Yeah, so enjoy together. So I was like, so this is people's own. And the guy who, the motor rider, he is in Abofo here, so he knows every place. So he was the one taking us around, because me, I am new here, and my mom too, she knows here. But for me, I am still new in Abofo here. Yeah, I don't know any place like that. So he was like, let me take you guys to explore the place. Yes, that is someone's house too. I don't know why sometimes they will say stop work. Yeah, they do that, but they continue working. That is it. Oh. So yeah, that is someone. So we were going inside to check. So this thing that you are seeing, they said is 2-bedroom, hall, kitchen, and dining hall. But it really looks cute. Yeah, it really looks cute. Oh my god, that is people's plot that you are seeing far. Yeah, some people has already mowed their blocks. Some people too have started foundation. Some people too have started building. So enjoy. So here we were going to another location to check something again. So he was like, he have time, so he will take us around, and we were like, okay, let's go. So that's purple. I don't know, here they have a lot of purple farm here. I think they are making a lot of money from here. They have plenty purple. Maybe a lot of them. Seriously. Yeah, so enjoy watching. You know, above here they have cocoa farm. It is not like Western North Sahui, where we came from. Yeah, where we came from, Sahui, Western North. Above here you be seeing only cows, sheep, pork, and what else? Potatoes, maize, millet, and then millet. Yeah, I'm asking my younger sister. So they are here. They also know their smell. So yeah, this is another location that we were going. All this place is but it will develop soon. Yeah. It will develop soon, because I trust them. Just 4 years that I came here, and when I came back home, just 4 years. The way I'm seeing people building big houses, you can tell that they are working hard back home. So yeah, enjoy with me, guys. So yeah, guys, here, let me keep quiet for all of us to just enjoy the beautiful view together. So yeah, if it reach a place that I have to talk, I will talk. But for now, let us just explore Ofenso Abofo new side together. Just see this beautiful view. Just see the land by yourself. Just see everything, guys. How do you see this view? Can you let me know? So yeah, here we were still on the new side exploring the place. So yeah, just keep watching, guys. Keep watching. All this part is new side. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I can say here is part of our neighborhood. Yeah, let us explore the neighborhood together. So keep watching, guys. See, that is people's rice. So that you can see how we have passed that place. So yeah, all these places new side that they are building. You can see the cows, guys. Yeah, you see those young boys that they are the ones guiding the cows. See, it is not easy. This person is going to make a lot of money. This cows look big. This Christmas they are going to sell them. Expensive. If you don't have money, you cannot buy cow here. Very expensive. So people are really doing big business here. We will all come back home and stay forever to work. It's not easy. So yeah, let's keep watching, guys.
Ah, la mola. The pato din bel su quella.
So yeah, here we are on the road, the main road. Yeah, now we are not in the new side again. This is the main road going to see my face on the camera or on the mirror. I'm sorry, on the mirror. See my face because the motor rider he was going speed. I was like, please take it easy. Yeah, because this road it's very dangerous and we were not also wearing the helmet. So yeah, I was like, please motor rider, take it easy on us. Yeah, so this is the main road of the song. So now you can see we were going back like we were going to office, but we were not going. We were going to some side to check something again. Yes, so it's the main road that we were just moving like that. So let's see the roadside. So this roadside that there's people has light, but this place, if you don't have money, you cannot buy because it's not new side and it's very expensive. Those who have big people, they can buy it. So let's keep how do you see this video, guys? How do you see it, or how did you see it after watching it? How? If you have watched to this point, I really appreciate it a lot, and don't forget to give me a dangerous. I fear this road. So anytime that I'm in car, I always pray that may Allah take me back home. Yeah. And I have never been to Dutch So guys, I made one video and I was like, sometimes my videos shake, so forgive me, guys. I always try to edit, but because of my space, I don't get the place. I don't get the space to edit it here. So that is someone plot to one person. They have moved the plots. So here we call here camp. So those of you in number 4 here, you know camp. So here is camp, and we are coming there to check. This is no place. You don't know camp. You are in number 4 here and you don't know camp. So this small town they call it camp. I made one thing that I was talking about it. And where we were going, now we have balance. We leave the main road and we take different roads. And we came back to here again. Yeah. So that is the camp. There is school there, so that is the park on the right side. So if you have watched this point, please can you give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and tell me what you want. Yeah. See you guys in my next video. Masala, masala. This is beautiful. That is someone plot. Yeah. The video did not even clear. This is someone plot. You can see the pillars, guys. This pillars is very tall, so you can see that is people's pillars. From here to here, that is maybe someone say that is mine. From here to here, that is mine. You can see the pillars. So yeah, that is it. See you guys in